The garage door lifts on a cold 4 a.m. Just a shadow in a machine, no need for them. The world is quiet, but my mind's in a race, chasing a version of me I've yet to embrace. Click it down into first, a hunger for more, an unquenchable thirst. The leather feels tight like a second skin. This is where the climb and the miles begin. They see the chrome, they see the shine. They don't see the sweat or the overtime. Success ain't a gift, it's a road you pave, from the gravel pits to the life you crave. And I'm leaning hard into the bed where the struggle starts, and the limit set, hear the roar of the engine, the wind in my chest. Every mile is a mile closer to the best. Every road is long, but the vision is clear. I'm shifting through doubt, and I'm killing the fear on a big bike soul with a heavyweight dream. Life's a highway, and I'm picking up steam. I've hit the rain and I've felt the slide. Had to pick up the bike and swallow my pride. Success isn't staying on top of the hill, it's the grit in the gears and the strength of the will. The highway markers are the years gone by, under a wide open, relentless sky. I don't ride for the vanity, I ride for the flow, for the places that only the brave get to know. Every gear is a level, every mile is a door. The heat of the asphalt, the blur of the trees, I'm accepting